Here at Total Restoration Services, we believe in going above and beyond just dropping off an estimate. When we receive a request for an estimate, we see it as an opportunity to truly connect with our customers and provide them with exceptional service. Our process begins with a thorough inspection of your roof, gutters, siding, windows, doors, or whatever your request is for. We don't sit in the truck or do an inspection from the street. Your full inspection is going through a full walk around of the exterior of the home, looking at every detail, or even getting up on that roof to get the first-hand look at its condition. We take the time to meticulously access every detail, identifying areas that are in good shape and those that may need attention. You will always hear both sides of the story. Once the inspection is complete, we sit down with you to go over our findings in detail. We believe in transparency and clarity, so we'll explain exactly what we observed and what needs to be addressed. Whether it's minor repairs or maybe a full roof replacement, we'll work with you to develop a customized plan that meets your needs and budget. If your insurance company is involved, don't worry. We handle the paperwork and negotiations on your behalf with your approval. Our experienced team knows the ins and outs of the insurance process, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience for you. Before any work begins, we'll provide you with a detailed contract outlining the scope of the project, timeline, and costs involved. We want you to feel confident and informed every step of the way. So we'll review the contract together to ensure that you understand and agree to all terms and conditions. Our ultimate goal is your satisfaction. We take pride in our work and strive to exceed your expectations with every project to earn your trust and become your go-to restoration service provider. So why wait? Give us a call today and experience the Total Restoration Services difference, from roofing to doors, windows, gutters, siding, and more. We've got you covered. Let us not only work for you, but with you to bring your vision to life. Your home deserves the best. Choose Total Restoration Services. And by the way, check out this testimonial from a new customer that we just visited a couple days ago. Thank you.
Yeah, hi, this is Chuck from Richfield. I'm here with Jason from TRS. He's doing a great job. I wanted to recommend these guys. He's helped me through the whole process, and even though I'm sick today, he came over here to risk it. So, thank you.